Hello and welcome back to Friday Minis. The path variable. Now, this is something that you may not actually need to, know about or manipulate in your day-to-day computing life, but is actually a very important component of, your operating system. Here's the deal. The vast majority of operating systems actually have, a file and folder system of some sort, and any program you might actually use or download exists in some folder. If you wanted to actually use a program that resides in one of these folders, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to actually browse into that folder and do an operation within that folder using that program. This might not always be what you want because, your files could be anywhere on the system, and it would be extremely inconvenient if you actually had to browse to that folder every time. That is where a path variable actually comes in handy. The path variable is essentially just a string of text, and this string of text contains one or more paths to folders. Your operating system pays special attention to this particular variable, and basically for each path specified within this variable, it becomes accessible from anywhere. Essentially, wherever you are, when you run a command, your system tries to check in the current folder first. If it doesn't find that particular command there, then what your computer can do is it will look into every single folder listed in the path variable. And if that function was found in any of those folders, it will be run right where you are. This is extremely convenient, in cases like FFmpeg, a video conversion and editing tool. Your videos can be anywhere, which is why adding FFmpeg to the path variable is a smart thing to do. Once you have it added, what you can then do is you can actually go to any folder and work on the videos there. Now, there is a reason why I didn't actually teach you how to get to the path variable in this particular video. And the reason for that is because, it varies from operating system to operating system. Even different versions of Windows actually sort of change the steps a little. Since I only have access to Windows 7, this is not going to be useful to very many of you, which is why instead of showing you how to do this, check out the video description. I would have included, links to how it's done in Windows 7, how it's done in newer Windows operating systems, as well as some guides for users of Mac and Linux. Anyway, that's all there is for this episode of Friday Minis. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you're watching 0612 TV. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, consider checking out the rest of my work on my channel. Alternatively, you may be interested in a playlist of all the other episodes of Friday Minis. If you'd like to show me some monetary support, I am on Patreon. You can find a link to my campaign in the video description. Of course, you can simply like this video or leave a comment. I'll be sure to respond as soon as I can. To keep in touch with my future uploads, do subscribe to this channel. And for even more updates, check out the official Twitter account for this channel at 0612TV. Thank you for your support.